Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tuned into the Market Beast edition. This is Ravel Company speaking, and today we'll be exploring a request. Express Inc., perhaps related to coffee, I'm not sure. Ticker symbol EXPR. Guys, that was a joke. And don't criticize me for not knowing the fundamentals. If you're just stopping in, we don't go over any fundamentals, just pure technical data. I'm a guy who looks at lines, horizontal and vertical lines, and ascending lines and descending lines on a chart. Okay, this is my way of doing it. Please read our bio so you have a little bit more of an understanding. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. The YouTube algorithm picking up on the channel. This is your engagement. I actually have a bullish tone on this stock. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today is March the 9th, 2021, and the current price of EXPR Express is going to be $3.52. It's down approximately 12.6% for the day. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what we have here on the menu. So these are our infamous lines that I found here. I'll explain it for you if you're new here. All right, that's it. Really simple. Ladies and gentlemen, you are looking at the infamous lines that we pull up on the chart. The yellow line is a breakthrough line. It has to get above that level. The red line acts as the critical level that it needs to stay above and not go to zero in order to prevent from going to zero. I'm not saying this is going to zero, okay? Just my unique lines. And that's going to be at, it's like $1.91, the red line. And the green line is a longevity line. It's to get above and stay above to have some very explosive moves to the upside. Okay, that's going to be at $11.12 just overhead. So let's see where we are. Let's get an overview of the entire market here. See if we can pull up some higher time frames. And let's do, I don't know, 4 weeks. There we are. So this is everything. Okay, it started all the way back in this range over here. Let's say April the 26th-ish, 2010, price tag of about $15. And you can see it was just kind of, going up. It's never been trending up. You can argue that. That's fine. It's never been trending up ever. Actually, it's only been making lower lows. You see that? This is the lowest. Well, the highest point in this stock is going to be $25.71 approximately. And we had a lower high here at about $24.10. Yeah, and this is another lower high here, but before it hit that yellow line, $21.01. Yeah, that's when it was like, the sellers are like, all right, that's enough. We have enough confirmation to know that we're going to break the floor. The floor is at, excuse me, and that's why the green line is a longevity line, because in the past it acted as support and potentially it will be resistance. Well, as of recently here, you can notice it was resistance. This stuff is not complicated, guys. Maybe there was some news that came out and pushed the price down from like $11.40. And yeah, the news said something, I don't know, blah, blah, blah. And it pushed the price down, guys. But I'm always looking at the story, looking at support and resistance. It's super simple to just associate this with buyers and sellers. That's all I'm looking at, okay? So here we are now. So I just wanted to give you guys an overview. It's never been trending up. It actually used the $11. What did I say? $11.40 as a floor. Once upon a time, it's broken below that floor, acted as resistance twice, right? Double top, and then it continued down, reaching as low as, let's see, wow, 57 cents on the stock. I'm not sure if it's been through reverse stock splits. You guys can talk amongst yourself in the comment section, maybe if that has happened. I'm not sure. I don't have that fundamental data, guys, okay? Just the technicals, I've said that. So here we are in the price action. Let's see if we could pull up like the 3-day candles, the lower time frames. And it appears that it's developing some sort of bullish momentum. This is a really nasty sell wall I'm seeing here just above the price. This gigantic red candle that came in on January the 29th, 2021, reached as high as $7.48, pushed all the way down to like $3.38. So that was a nasty move. Ouch, if you bought into that. But again, if you're long-term investing, hopefully you can use this as some sort of guidance in terms, not guidance, but just, just a piece to in conjunction with whatever you're using, right? Your fundamentals, that's fine. To give you the practical levels. We've already gone over $1.90. Yeah, it's like $1.91. It's a very large range, all the way up to $11 and about 40 cents. Okay, so if it were to have some very extreme price activity within that range, then that's fine. I mean, that's pretty much what I have for this. The most important thing that I wanted to make sure that everyone understands is that it's broken above that this yellow line. You see this yellow, the breakthrough line. That's a really, really important line. And it's above the red line, the critical level. So I'd say that if you're patient, okay, and you can stomach a little bit more volatility to the downside. I think we have like a 12% down today or something like that. Yeah, 13% to the downside. I think this is an interesting range. We have not invested in this, but we actually did invest it. I'm not going to say the risk to reckon. The bulls, they're so sensitive, man. Never mind, okay? But we did play this market, okay? We're out of the market. and it appears that it's going to go through a simple consolidation phase now. Maybe we'll get a nice move within the next 5 market days to the upside, reaching as high as, I don't know, like let's just say $5. Okay, it depends on how much strength is in this market. What I will do is do this. Let me see if I can pull up the weekly candles to see if we can identify a particular range. Well, not necessarily. We have to pull up the 3-day candles to understand where the market is potentially here. So let's just say that there is a breakout to the upside. I'll just put this range right here according to the 3-day candles. Let's just say that it moves up to the upside above the top of the range that I just put on the chart here, which is at $3. Let's just call it, yeah, $3.90. Like if there's a breakout above this level, I'm going to expect some resistance. Okay, so like I said, if it breaks up above, like let's just call it like $5, and it's having a hard time continuing to go up, I'm going to refer to what I always go to, right? The previous level of resistance should act as support. So if it goes up to $5, $6 and it comes back down, I would expect the $3.90 to potentially hold as support. That's not guaranteed. This is actually just pure speculation. The only thing that I would be looking for taking place, I guess I'll leave you guys out with the particular range and where I think the market will be over the next 5 to 10 market days. Is going to be in between $2.30 all the way up to $3.87 if it's not officially going to break out here over the next 5 market days. It'll likely be within a sideways consolidation range that I've just identified there. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have. Thank you for the request. Hopefully this was useful for you. Excuse me. Of course, we'll probably have to give you an update within the next 3 weeks or so, depending on how the price action behaves. But this is an interesting stock. Since it broke above that yellow line, yeah, I think there's some interesting momentum that could propel the price to the upside. Give it about 30 to 60 days because, again, the more consolidation, the better. We go over that a lot on the channel. So just expect the consolidation to take place here in the next 30 days. I know I said 5 market days because I think the market is in a position where it wants to make a decision whether it wants to break out. Remember, breakout consists of either direction, to the upside or the downside, and I think the market needs a little bit of time to figure that out. This is the 3-day candle that is going to successfully close, so if it were to break out to the upside, yeah, that wouldn't be a shocker to me, okay? So yeah, be patient. Again, thank you for the request. We're going to cut it out here. Hopefully this was useful. Let me know down in the comment section. Leave a comment and an appropriate thumb to support the channel before you go there. Also, before you leave, if you're new, we cover the alternative markets. If you're into Bitcoin and altcoins, we cover that. So subscribe to the bell. We'll see that information when it's available. Yes, we got through this. Thank you for your time, guys. So take care of yourselves, protect your portfolio, execute your strategies. Okay, we're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.